Multiples. Multiples are found by multiplying our base number by other numbers. Example 1. On a school field trip, there are 5 parents to help chaperone the students. Each parent is responsible for 6 children each. Use multiples to see how many children there are with 5 parents if each had 6 children they are responsible for. So we would say 6 is going to be our base number. So this is our base number. And this is going to tell us how many multiples we're going to be doing. So for the first parent, so first parent, they have the 6 children, right? Then if we had the second parent, we would add 6 to that because 2 parents then would have a total, between the two would have 12. The third parent then would go 3 times 6, or we would just go 12 plus 6 would be the same thing, right? So we would end up with, right, so 3 times 6, 18. Now if we had the fourth parent, so we can either add 6 to 18, or we can go, right, 3 times 6. This is 2 times 6. This is 1 times 6. This is 4 times 6, so that would be 24. Then we have our final parent. So that would be 5 times 6, or 24, plus 6, which would be 30. So notice that right here, we're adding just 6 to each number as we go down. Or you can see how, right, multiplication is just repeated addition, and this kind of confirms it, or it shows it in a different way. So for 5 parents, and if there are 6 children each to each parent, there would be 30 children total. So now let's look at another example. Example 2. If there are 12 flowers and each flower has 4 petals each, then use multiples to see how many petals in total there are. So, what's our base number? Well, our base number is going to be this 4. And then the flowers, we're going to have 12 flowers. So we're going to go, like the last example, 1 through 5. Now we're going to go 1 through 12. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we're going to see how many petals are total for each one, and then total. So if there's 4 petals for each one, so essentially, right, the first petal, the first flower has 4 petals. So that's 4, right? We just did 1 times 4. Now, for the second one, right, we're going to go 2 times 4. So that's 8. Then we're going to go 3 times 4. That's 12. See how we're just adding 4 to each one? So 4, right, if we just added 4, that'd be 16, which is 4 times 4. Now 5, right, so 5 times 4. So we're adding up all of the flowers above it, and including this one, how many petals are. So 5 times 4, that's 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28, right? And then 8 times 4 is 32. And then 9 times 4 is 36. See how we're just adding 4 on this column, and we're showing the multiplication on how it works out. So now we can go 10 times 4 is 40. And then 11 times 4 is 44. And final, 12 times 4 is 48. So we'd have then, right, if there's 12 flowers, there's 4 petals in each one, we would have 48 petals total. So you can see how multiples can just keep adding. Just keep adding the base number to the next one, or you can show it how we did it by the multiplication. So we just get 1 times our base number, 2 times our base number. So there's kind of 2 ways we can go about this, but just to show you both ways and kind of see it.